हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास नाइन्थ और आप मेरे साथ सॉल्व करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस क्लास नाइन्थ के विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन लीनियर इक्वेशंस इज टू वेरिएबल। ओके, तो आपने कुछ क्वेश्चंस पिछले वीडियो में भी सॉल्व किए थे। अगर आपने नहीं देखा है अब तक तो प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर पिछला वीडियो देख सकते हैं आप क्लास नाइन्थ का, विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। टुडे check question is check that the given points are solutions of equation 5x minus 4y equals to 20। हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 4, 0, सेकेंड इज 0, 5, थर्ड इज 2, -5/2, फोर्थ इज 0, -5 एंड सिक्स इज -2, 5/2। वी हैव टू चेक whether these points are solutions of this equations or not in this point। आप जानते हैं ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्ड में जब कोई नंबर्स लिखा होता है इट्स मीन फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इज एब्सिसा विच इज x एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज ऑर्डिनेट विच इज y। सो पुटिंग x बराबर 4 एंड y इक्वल्स टू 0, वी आर पुटिंग this is called equation 1, x बराबर 4, this means 5 into 4 minus 4 and in the place of y we are putting 0, this means 4 into 0। okay, we have to show that both are equal, means which is equal to 20, 5 for the 20 and minus 4 0 0, this means 20, 20 minus 0 20 equals to 20, which is true, which is true। Hence 4, 0 is the solution of given linear equation। okay, now we shall prove whether this is okay, is the solution of given linear equations। now we are putting x equals to 0 for here and y equals to 5। okay, this means 5 into 0 minus 4 into 5 equals to 20। here we get 5 into 0 means 0 minus 4 5 the 20 equals to 0, this is 0 minus 20 which is minus 20, this means 0 which is not equals to 0, not true। clearly you can conclude that minus 20 is not equals to 20, so this point, so the point 0, 5 is not solution of given linear equation। okay, now third one is third one is 2, means x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 5/2। we need to check this। okay, we are putting x equals to 2 means 5 into 2 in this equation minus 4 in the place of y we are putting minus 5/2 equals to 20। okay, 5 into 2 means 10 and here we can cancel 2 times and this minus become plus, and this is 5 into 2 10, which is true. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So the point 2 comma minus 5 by 2 is the solution of given linear equation. Okay students. Now fourth one is point 0 comma minus 5. X is, this is not the solution, this one is okay, and now we are checking 0 comma minus 5 means x is 0 and y is minus 5. We need to check this whether the given point 0 comma minus 5 is the solution of given linear equations or not. So first of all we are putting x equals to 0 at the place of x, 5 into 0 minus 4 into minus 5, which is equals to 0. Here this gives 0 and minus minus become plus. 4 into 5 means 20 equals to 20. 20 equals to 20. True. This means fourth one is also okay with this equations, means this is the solution of, this is the solution. Okay. Now finally we are checking fifth point, which is minus 2 comma 5 by 2. Here x is minus 2 and y is 5 by 2. So let's put the values of x and y. Here we get x into minus 2, here minus 4 into y is 5 by 2, which is equals to 20. And here 5 to the 10, which is minus 10, and minus this is 2 times, and minus 2 into 5 10, minus 20 left hand side and right hand side 20, which is not equals to, right hand side is not equals to left hand side. So this is not a solution one. Okay. Minus 2 comma 5 by 2 is not a solution 1. Now the question, next question is very important question. Five x minus 3y equals to k. We are given, second question, 5x minus 3y equals to k. If x equals to 3 and y equals to 4 is solution of this linear equation, find the value of k. Okay, we are given a linear equations, and if x is equals to 3 and y equals to 4 is the solution of these equations, then find the value of k. How to find value of k? We will put x equals to 3 in this equation, means 5 into 3 minus 3 into y is 4, 3 into 4 equals to k. 5 3 the 15 minus 3 4 the 12, which is k. 15 minus 12 3 means k is equals to 3. We get final k is equals to 3. So I hope that this video will help to understand the problems based on linear equations. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 2 दिन बाद. थैंक यू.